Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button right now and become part of the family. Guys, on this channel, we review products that are good for the whole family. Babies, teens, kids, moms, and dads. Now for dads, we look at products that help us look a little bit better, help us keep groomed, help us looking good. And nobody needs more help than myself. I'm a dad of 6 kids. Yep, 6 kids, okay? And so I'm exploring what's on the market, all men's personal care goods, and I'm sharing it with you, our viewers. And today we're gonna be looking at the Mangroomer Lithium Plus Body Trimmer and Groomer for all you hairy beasts out there. Now, if you recognize the name Mangroomer, it's because we featured the Mangroomer electric back hair shaver on this channel once before. I was so impressed with that product and still use it to this day. Now, as you know, there are a lot of body trimmers and body shavers out on the market. So how does a product and a brand separate themselves from the rest of the pack? They've got to come up with some really ingenious ideas and great innovations. And Mangroomer have done just that. Their battery lasts 5 times longer than most other body shavers, and that's because of the lithium battery that they use inside. I really like the fact that there are 2 ends to this body shaver, okay? So you have the trimmer. Now that, as they say, is to first cut down the trees before you mow the grass. And I think that's really clever because this is for your longer hair on your body. So perhaps if you're gonna shave your underarms, you're gonna get rid of the longer hair first, and then you're gonna use the trimmer side to get that smoother, closer finish. Now most other body shavers come with separate combs, but what I like about this one is that it's attached. So you're never trying to sort out and find the right one, and it's getting stuck in your cables, and you're trying to look at the back of the cabinet to find them. It's right here. 8 different settings for 8 different lengths. Another great setting for me is that it's completely waterproof. You'll be surprised how many of these body shavers are actually not waterproof. This thing is completely waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. Now that's the best time, I find personally, to be man grooming, because you don't want to come out of the shower, you're all wet, you're gonna make a whole another area messy in your bathroom. In the shower is the best time for me. And I love the fact that this is easy to maintain. Once you've trimmed and once you've shaved, you could just rinse this under the water. So that's really, really easy. So I know what your next question is. Where can I use this body trimmer and shaver? And it's really great. You know, Mangroomer have a variety of products on their website, so go check them out. Like I said, they've got the back shaver, they have a scalp shaver, and they have a face shaver as well. But this baby is good for your shoulders, for your arms, for your legs, for your chest, for your stomach, for your underarms, and yes, also for your crown jewels. Now we all know how sensitive the skin is in that part of the body. That's why they use the hyperallergenic stainless steel foil blades. These last about 6 months, and guess what? They've included a spare set of foil blades for you inside the pack. Now when that runs out, you can order more foil blades off their website. Now something I noticed in the last review with the back groomer was the shock absorbing pivoting head. That really made a huge difference, especially when you couldn't really see what you were doing and you were trying to shave your back. It sort of moved along the contours of your back. And I see they've included the same feature here on the body groomer. Look, we don't need to even get into whether men should or shouldn't body groom, manscape. I mean, gone are those days of Magnum PI and those full hairy chests. But it's a matter of personal preference. I do it because I used to be in the fitness industry, and that's just what we used to do, to show off the muscles and show off the bod. I know cyclists do it because it's supposed to help with aerodynamics. I think people just do what makes them feel good, what makes them look better. Hey, accentuate your assets, guys. I even used to have a friend who used to shave a 6-pack into his body hair. I just think it's really cool that we have products like this that help us men feel like we're looking our very best. I love the fact that there's the trimmer and the shaver. So if you don't want to go completely smooth, you can choose the length of your hair. And sometimes that's what guys are looking for. They don't want to be completely baby smooth. They want a little bit of hair as well. And if it's important to you, you've seen the surveys. Ladies like guys that are trimmed and look after and keep that body hair under control. So once again, I am super impressed with Mangroomer, and in particular the Mangroomer Lithium Max Plus with this amazing battery that keeps going and going, the body shaver and the body trimmer all in one shaver. I think this is a great addition to your man grooming kit. I think this is also a wonderful gift idea for Christmas or for birthdays for dads. I'm putting links to more information and where you can purchase this Mangroomer down in the description box below. Hey, don't let the fun end here. Go check out this Mangroomer back shaver video I did a few weeks ago and see how that works. Really great product as well.